Hello traders, I'm the founder of Trading Paradise, and today I prepare for you another video. Who doesn't know who we are a company that develops trading indicators for Tradingview, and the majority of our offering is free and open source, so check out our links. You find all the information in the description. So guys, today we're going to review Bitcoin and few altcoins, and so we're going to try to understand where the market is going. So we start from Bitcoin, and nothing really changed since what I said in the last video. Bitcoin is still trading in this range, okay, which means trading between 60k and 73k. As soon the price stays here, no major move will happen. So expect a major move only if we break 60k or we break above 73k. If you want to speculate, I'm more on the side that we're going to lose 60k, and there are some facts that I want to show you today. The first one is, as you know, the stablecoin dominance, in this case the USDT, which is also really similar to USDC dominance. And what we see is that, go to check out the video about it that I uploaded a few weeks ago, where I predicted the dump, because the dominance bounced from this key support level, which is the same support level where it bounced in end of March, start of April 2022. So where the bear market started. So basically where Bitcoin got rejected at 48k. And a price dropped into the bear market. So we bounced from here and the market now crashed. We reached the first target zone where the market bounced. Some altcoins, they bounced of 35-40%. But the structure of the dominance is a kind of bottom and is building an uptrend. So as soon the dominance is in this uptrend, I'm remaining slightly bearish and I think that probably Bitcoin will lose 60k. To be bullish again, I would like to see a break below, so losing this low here, losing the diagonal trend line, retest this trend line as resistance, got rejected, and probably we are going to this support zone. The bull market will start if we lose this green line. So if we lose this green line, is bull market, okay? But until then, we should watch what is going to happen. And if we stay in this uptrend, we're going to revisit again the first target, so this liquidity zone. And if we break above, we're going to revisit this second target here. Since today, so the level of today, it's 4.76%. If we reach the second target, will be a move of the dominance of 38%. So if the dominance will reach this level, probably Bitcoin will be trading at 50k. Okay, so watch out the dominance, because it's really important indicator to understand what is going to happen also to Bitcoin and other altcoins. So said that, uptrend, probably bottom formed. As soon as we are in this uptrend structure or this kind of uptrend, I don't see Bitcoin trading higher. Another thing, so we go back to Bitcoin, is that this structure here of price is not really bullish. Okay, so we had the kind of double top here, triple top, how you want to say it. We got rejected at 73k, and then the price broke below this low, and then got rejected here. So we didn't really close higher, so we didn't do an higher high, so which means that probably we are going to do a lower low. So we're gonna broke this level, so again retest maybe 60k and then trending lower. So it looks like a start of a downtrend. And also this bearish structure is really similar to what we saw in 2021. So if we take these candles here and we shift those candles on the candles that we have now, look, it's quite similar. Okay, it's quite similar. Of course, it's not precisely the same because it's not always repeating the history, but always it could rhyme. Okay, so this reminds me of 2021. So probably we could revisit 69k, which is also the previous all-time high, and if we got rejected, we probably go revisit 60k support zone, and if it breaks, we're going trading lower. So also this market structure is not really something that is bullish to me, okay, because of course it was the same structure of 2021 that brought us to 30k. Another thing is that if we switch on weekly time frame to our very important indicators, the RSI, the stochastic RSI, we don't see any proper reset. So the stochastic RSI is still trending down, we don't have any cross up, and the RSI is still in overbought territory. So I don't really think that this is really bullish. So we have many facts that say to us that at the moment we don't have really bullish signs. So in my opinion, if you want to buy, or if I want to buy, I would patiently wait of Bitcoin trading higher than 73k. Okay, so this is what's happening in Bitcoin. And also another information that, let's say, more short term, today we got rejected by weekly open, and these wicks here also match with previous weekly low. A previous monthly low is around 59k. So the price now, I think, is in this small range here, and there are these levels that are key levels, and or we close above here, and then probably we're gonna revisit 69, which I explained before, and then see what happens, or otherwise we're gonna revisit down, and let's see then if it happens how the price will react. Okay, so this indicator, of course, it's free. We developed this, we can find in our website or in Tradingview. It's give you the possibility to mark all the important levels, so weekly open, monthly open, previous weekly high, previous monthly open, so everything that you want to know, and even more about also the whole trading session. There are a lot of settings that you can choose here. Now this is Bitcoin. So now we have more bearish information, more bearish signs, but still is trading in this range. So to have a more statistical advantage on the market, we should wait a break below 60k or a break above 73. Now some altcoins that I'm interested in and have a beautiful chart. Something that I didn't cover in the last video is JUP. And we bounced from here. So we accumulate. The price was in accumulation zone between 0.45 and 0.50 cent. We shoot up. Okay, and now we had this correction, but this correction is also consolidating in not a really bullish, it's not really a bullish consolidation, actually it's a bearish consolidation, and this formation is called bear flag. So the price is bouncing between support and resistance, at least has to have 3 touches on the support and on the resistance, and we have it, and the pull is measured by taking the line from here since the start of this impulsive move to the downside. So potentially, if we break below, we're going to revisit this zone that actually would possibly indicate a kind of reversal, creating, let's say, a kind of double bottom. Okay, that would lead us to an incredible pump, in my opinion. So this zone could be really interesting to accumulate JUP if this happens. Okay, if we also open our trading indicator Easy Trade Pro, we saw that we had a nice sell signals here on the daily chart, and now we had the buy signals, and the price see that is hanging on our bullish line. And again, here this is a do or die moment, as explained also on Twitter. If we lose this blue line and we lose this diagonal trend line, is likely that we're going lower. If we stay here, we consolidate here, so in this case we're going up. So this is a very important, crucial moment for JUP. Okay, now another thing that I want to share with you, another altcoin that we didn't cover in the past is Near. Near, I think, is a really interesting project and has a very beautiful chart, because after breaking above this falling wedge, is the price really skyrocket and is built this really important uptrend. Now, in what position we are? If you think to buy now Near, I don't think it's a wise move, because it's clearly in a resistance zone. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks now, rejection also here. I would want to see a close above this level to buy. Otherwise, if you continue to get rejected here, it's likely that we are going to revisit this zone here, because this is a very important wick that never got filled, not even half of it. So it's likely that you're going to revisit this zone. So this could be a good buy zone for Near. If we break below, watch out, because we're going to revisit $2.5, which will be an amazing zone to accumulate Near. So watch this level, 4.47 and 2.57. Then you know that I like INJ, and I think that INJ is not really bullish at the moment, and I think this zone is really important, that sooner or later is gonna be hit, and this could be a nice zone to accumulate INJ. The same thing also for FET, because FET, who knows about the video that I shared, I called the top here, and this zone is really important, between 135 and 154, that never got filled. So, and now, since we got rejected from the neckline of our double top, is likely that we are going lower here. And on the other hand, for the bullish case, if we break above here, which now is acting as resistance, we're gonna trending higher. So this level around, let's say $2.50 is the key level to break. If we break, we're going higher. If we got rejected, like we are continuing to get rejected, expect a drop in this area here. So guys, these are my view about the market. I think that Bitcoin is slightly bearish at the moment, but let's see what happens. The big move happens when we break 60k or we break above 73k. And since then, it's just a speculation and some data that could tell you we have more bearish sign than bullish. In my opinion, we have more bearish sign at the moment. But let's see how the price unfolds. The importance is to react on what is going to happen. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the content. Please leave a comment, a like, subscribe to our channel, and give us feedback on how you would like to see the content I present, or maybe a suggestion and whatever and so on. Thank you very much, and see you soon.